Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is your Windows 11 or 10 PC dragging its feet? Too many background processes can slow you down big time. Today, I'm diving into how to slash those processes for lightning-fast performance perfect. Get ready to feel the speed. Step 1. Check your current processes. Let's see what we're working with. Use Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open your task manager. Click the Performance tab on the left. Scroll down to Processes on my system. I've got 251 running. That's a process party slowing everything down. We'll revisit this later to celebrate the drop. Jot down your number to track your progress. Let's get that countdown. Step 2. Disable Startup Apps. Background hogs often start with your PC. In Task Manager, click Startup Apps on the left. Scroll through the list. Look for apps you don't need at boot, like Spotify or Xbox if you're not using them right away. Right-click each one and select Disable. Watch the status turn to Disabled. But disabling 10 apps can cut 20 to 30 processes. Take your time. This is your chance to declutter. Step 3. Tweak unnecessary services. Services are sneaky process generators. Press the Windows key, type Run, and hit Enter. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll to the bottom. Let's disable Xbox services. Double-click Xbox Live Auth Manager. Set Startup Type to Disabled and click Apply, then OK. Repeat for Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service, and Xbox Accessory Management. Next, find BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. Disable it unless you use encryption. Disable Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Stop it if running. Download Maps Manager if you don't navigate offline. Parental Controls if unused. And Wallet Service if no payments. Each disable can shave off 5 to 10 processes. Feel that speed building. Step 4. Optimize visual effects. Heavy visuals eat resources. Press the Windows key, type Run, and hit Enter. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Click the Advanced tab, then Settings under Performance. Select Custom, then uncheck everything except Animations in the taskbar, Show thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply and OK. This cuts graphical overhead. My system feels lighter already. Step 5. Clean up msconfig services. More process pruning. Press the Windows key, type Run and hit Enter. Type msconfig and press Enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Click Apply and OK will restart later. Note, be cautious. Disabling everything, including critical services like Credential Manager, can force relogins or even disable your internet. If issues arise, uncheck Hide All Microsoft Services, look for recently disabled items by date, and re-enable them cautiously. Step 6. Uninstall unneeded apps. Pre-installed apps add processes. Press the Windows key, type Settings, and hit Enter. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Scroll and uninstall bloat like Maps, Weather, or Xbox. If you don't use them, click the three-dot menu and select Uninstall. Reinstall from the Microsoft Store if needed later. Next, go to Apps, Apps for Websites, and disable all toggles to stop web app clutter. Under Gaming, Xbox Game Bar, turn it off if you don't game. This / background noise. My list is leaner now. Step 8. Restart and verify. Time to apply changes. Click the Start menu, select Power, Restart. After reboot, open Task Manager again, Ctrl+Shift+ESC and go to Performance. My processes dropped from 251 to 192, a huge win. Yours might hit 70 to 100, depending on tweaks, test speed launch apps or games. My system's zipping along. Step 9. Additional tips for peak performance. Let's lock in that speed with these bonus tips. First, update drivers. Right-click the Start button, select Device Manager, check for yellow marks, and visit manufacturer's sites. Second, clear disk space. Search Disk Cleanup. Select your C drive, check Temporary Files and Previous Installations, and click OK. Third, defragment your drive. Search Defragment and Optimize Drives. Select your SSD or HDD and click Optimize. This reorganizes fragmented files on HDDs for faster access and trims SSDs to maintain performance and longevity. Expect quicker load times and a smoother system. That's it, tech fans! You've slashed processes on Windows 11 or 10 for faster performance using startup tweaks, service cuts, and app cleanups. Comment below, how many processes did you drop? Thanks for watching, stay passionate about tech, and I'll catch you next time.